I will be showing you how you can download your photos and video from Google, so watch the complete video. First, let's go to Google Photos site through Google Apps menu. You can see here, in my Google Photos, I have both image and videos uploaded. To download them, we need to click our Google profile picture. And again we need to click this Manage Your Google Account tab. And in Google Account page, we need to click Data and Privacy tab. In this page, we need to scroll down to Data from Apps and Services section. And here, we need to click Content Saved from Google Services tab. In this page, we need to scroll down to Google Photos and click the Download button, which will take us to Google Takeout page. In this page, we need to continue with the process. We can transfer the photos to any of these locations on the web. I will select Download link via email. With this, we will receive a link in our email to download the photos and videos once the data is compiled ready for us to download. Next, here are other options we need to select, like frequency of downloading the photos and the file format, along with the file size that can be downloaded. And finally, we need to click this Create Export button. And the copy of Google Photos are being compiled and made ready for download. Once done, we will get the download link via an email to our Gmail account. And you can see the email has been sent to us. We can click this download button to download the photos. We need to log in again into our Gmail account to verify we own the account. And continue, and you can see the download page. We can click here and download our Google Photos. I hope this video will be of help to you. With this, we have come to the end of this video tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when new content is added.